Hello, everybody. Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Rachel Paling. I am the creator of Neurolanguage coaching, and I will be in this masterclass presenting using coaching and neuroscience to enhance the language learning process. Why talk about the brain? Why bring in coaching? What's the reason that we should do this? Definitely, we're going to explore a little bit professional coaching and what that means and what impact it has when we bring it into language coaching. Now, there are many different perspectives of language coaching, and we're going to be looking at from the perspective of neuro-language coaching. And why talk about the brain? What impact could that have on our learners? Discover, join me. Looking forward to your questions, looking forward to your input, looking forward to the discussion in the masterclass with Gallery Teachers.